Okay, so got both cars out of the driveway, and today we're going to tackle something that I've been meaning to tackle for quite some time, my garage. What's going on, everybody? I'm Jake the Lawn Kid. Welcome back to yet another video. Today, I got a whole lot on the task list for you guys this week. It's going to be a long video with all sorts of stuff. I haven't really done a vlog type video in a while, so let's go ahead and do it. I've done so much in the past couple of days here that I want to go ahead and share with you, starting with getting this garage clean. So let me go ahead and rewind back to a couple of days ago on Sunday here to show you guys where we were at with the garage and how much cleaner we got it.
I got a woman so good to me that makes me crazy, crazy lucky. Out from the darkness, you gave me light, and I've been thinking it over. I'm crazy lucky. I'm crazy lucky. Got a woman so good to me. I think I'm crazy, crazy lucky. I got a woman, and she's a mother. Yeah, she's a mother. Yeah, she's hot. Yeah, she's hot. Yeah, she's hot. Yeah, she's mine.
Okay, and as you can see, doing a little pan around there, the garage is looking a million times better. Now, this area here, which becomes messy very fast with all the garden tools over there, haven't really touched that area because, to be honest with you, I really didn't want to deal with it, so guilty. But I'm sure at some point we will be putting racks up over here to get all of this stuff off the ground so that we don't have all of that accumulation happening right there. And then, of course, as you can see over here, got my Toro equipment here. This mower, really psyched about it. You can see it even has smart stow, so that's pretty cool. Snow throwers tucked away back there, about ready to store that, so we'll talk about that in another video. But yeah, for the most part, looking pretty good. Now you can see my equipment here. My tractor actually had a belt snap on it, so I actually have to go through that before I start mowing here in a couple of weeks, so that'll be more content to come up. But you can see much cleaner all around. And then over here, the workbench, all cleaned up and looking good. And once I got the garage cleaned, I really didn't have a whole lot that I did on Monday. I didn't really do anything on Monday, but on Tuesday, I decided to do an episode of Mail Time. So let's see how that went. Alright, hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to yet another segment of Mail Time. I am very excited about today's episode. We got some packages that have came from a couple of familiar partners to this channel, and with that, I'm very stoked. So what I've decided I'm going to do here for order is I'm just going to go smallest to biggest. So I'm going to start off with these two letters I got here. Let's go ahead and open these, shall we? Okay. This one is from DIY Lawn Care Monster, good friend of ours in the community, so let's go ahead and see what he got me. Check it out here. Look at that. Dude, I am digging. Look at that. Look at that sticker. That is just awesome. Let me set it down on the desk here so you can get a sight of that. Look at that, man. DIY Lawn Care Monster. Thank you, brother. Awesome sticker. Really looking forward to sticking it on the PC over there with all the other stickers. I'll throw a shot of that up here. I really haven't shown it much, but we'll throw it on there. Thank you very much. Okay, this next one is from Gordon out of Atlanta, and let's see what Gordon had to get me today. Don't mind me if I sound a little groggy. I am a little tired. teenage life, man. We're always tired, but we just charge through it. So it looks to me that Gordon got me a note as well as a sticker. L.I. Lawns, thank you, buddy, for the sticker. Appreciate it. Let me put that down for you to see that. L.I. Lawns, dude. Awesome. Striper Man. Yeah, Striper Man, bro. Kentucky Bluegrass, Perennial Rye, Fescue Zoysia, dude. Awesome sticker. Thank you very much. Let's see what his note says here. Jake, new sticker. Love your channel, bro. Hang on, let me set that down. New sticker. Love your channel, bro. Been watching for a few years. You were my first sub. That meant a lot to me. Awesome, brother. Glad I could support you. Was wondering if you ever saw any of my vids because I've never seen you post a comment. Have a great season, Keith. Keith, I have seen some of your videos. They look awesome. I am so sorry I have not commented on any of your videos. It's just, I don't know, man. I have a problem. When I tend to watch people's videos, I always forget to leave a comment. But I promise from here on, I will make an effort to leave comments on your video. But yeah, I've seen your comments. Your lawn's looking beautiful. Especially your bluegrass, your ryegrass, if I remember correctly. You've taken it down to an inch, dude, and it's looking really, really good. Next packages. Set this here. Now we can use the switchblade. Alright, so first box here, this is from a very familiar company in the industry, Yard Mastery. For those of you guys who don't know, this is my buddy Alan. Hey, in the lawn care now. I'm sure all of you guys know him by now, but if not, he's a good friend of mine. This is his company, and you may have seen some of the affiliate links down below are associated with this company, which I am proud to represent. Let me go ahead and open this up and see what it is. Alright. Sweet, let's see what he's got here. Ooh, look at this. Soil test kits. Sticker right there for the mail. But, oh, dude, this is awesome. Look at this. This is their new soil kit over at, check this out. This is their brand new soil test kit over at Yard Mastery. We're going to be using this quite a bit this season. We got a couple of cool projects we're going to be doing where this is going to come in very great handy. Thank you very much, Alan, and all of you guys at Yard Mastery. Appreciate your guys' support in helping me continue to grow my ventures here on YouTube. So, yeah, thanks, brother. Okay, this next box is from another familiar face in the community, and that is our good old buddy Fescue Freddie. Check that out right there. Look, Fescue Freddie. Fescue Freddie, I am psyched to see what you got for me here because this is quite a big box. Cut here. Okay. Cut from the top. Ooh. Oh, Fescue Freddie, you are the best, man. You and I have been talking about this for quite some time, and that is you sending me a box of coffee. Man, this is awesome. It's funny, I was just at Strack the other day doing a little bit of shopping for my dad. We recently ran out of dark roast, and I was actually going to buy this particular blend, but fortunately, I did mail time today before I decided on that, and you sent me a box of this, so thank you very much, man. Let's see what else he's got in here. I think he's got a nice note here and a sticker for me. Let's see that. Let's see. Got a nice note and sticker here. Jake, thanks for the sticker swap. Let me know how you like the coffee. I hope you enjoy it. And with that, he also sent me a sticker here, Fescue Freddie sticker. Thank you, Freddie. Much appreciated, brother. This will definitely be going on the PC with all of the other lawn care stickers. Thank you very much for the sticker, brother, and the note, as well as the coffee. Much appreciated. This next one, this is going to be a big one here. This is from my friends over at Shirk. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm an ambassador of Shirk. I have been for well over a year now. If you guys want, I will leave a link here in the eye in the top right corner, as well as a link in the description below to the first ever review I did on the Shirk cans. And my friends, just to sum it up, I gotta say I have never been more satisfied with a gas can. These guys do not disappoint. And I am really, really looking forward to what's in this box. So let's shut up now and open this. I gotta open that. All right. Oh, this is exactly what I thought it was. Check this out, look. Look at this, man. This is cool. So for those of you guys who also don't know, this is Shirk's brand new utility can. Now, basically what that means is that this is for anything other than gasoline, right? So if I, for instance, if I wanted to take some Next products and fertilize some plants, I am now able to do that with this brand new utility can. So gonna make for some awesome collaborations with the Shirk folks in the 2020 lawn season. Very psyched about this. Trent, thank you very much for hooking me up, brother. Much appreciated. Really, really looking forward to trying this out. Okay, so this next one, so this next and very last couple of packages here, these are actually from the same, these are actually both from my good friends over at Greene County Fertilizer. First off, we're going to start small. We got a very small box here, so let's go ahead and pop that open. Okay. And then, let's see what we got here. Alrighty. Oh, you guys are the best. Check this out, look. Ooh, yeah. Well, properly fitted. Check this out, look. Next t-shirt. 1 second, guys. Whoop! I gotta say, Greene County, you guys never disappoint. This is an awesome looking t-shirt, very comfortable, but probably not as awesome as this shirt right here. So let's go ahead and swap that out. Wow, the fabric on this one is awesome. Brad, Deidre, John, you guys did a great job with these long sleeve shirts. I really like them. You guys know who've been watching me for a while. I have a Lawncology. I have a shirt like this labeled Lawncology. I wear it in the videos almost all the time, and I really, really like the fabric on these. So for those who don't know, the reason I wanted to give Greene County some love is not only because they sent me some packages, but because I am now working with them for the 2020 lawn season. I am now partaking in running the Next DIY Lawn channel. I'm putting out monthly content over there, showing you guys a little bit more of an inside scoop about the Next products, the history behind them, how to use them, all that stuff. As a matter of fact, if you guys want, I will leave a link here in the eye in the top right corner, as well as a link in the description below to the second video that I just released for them a couple of weeks ago, talking all about an application that you guys can do right now to get your lawns ready for the spring push. So I just wanted to get that out in the open. Now let's finish up this unboxing. So this is pretty nice. Check this out. Look at this. This is very, let me move the camera here so we can get a little varied camera angle. So this is very nice. Oh, yes. Look at this. This is, come on. That's awesome, dude. So I actually got one of these a couple of years ago, and unfortunately I lost it, and I did let Brad and Deidre know, and fortunately they were cool enough to send me another one, so thank you, guys. Really appreciate it, and you guys know how much I love coffee, so I'm definitely going to be drinking a lot of coffees out of this here in the near future. So once again, thanks, Greene County. Got a product shipment from Greene County today, so let's open this up and see what it is. Okay. Crack that open. Bring that up top here so we can get a nice shot of that action right there. Ooh. This is big. Look at this. Oh, dude. Yeah. Oh. They even sent a little note. Too. Check it out. Look. Hi, Jake. Enjoy and happy almost spring, the Greene County Fert team. Thank you, guys. Appreciate the note. Let's see what you guys got me here. We got two 2.5 gallon jugs here. Let's see what the first one is. Oh. Our first one is going to be a good old favorite in the lawn care community, Aerate. This is what breaks bonds in the soil and allows and makes more room for root growth. And then we also got some 402 Flora Green. Now, the reason I requested Greene County to send me both of these is because these are the two products that I run out of the quickest. Believe it or not, 402 is something I run out of very fast. because with my 2 Bradford pears that I have outside in the front, I feed them like wildfire, so they'll stop trying to steal nutrients from my grass. As you guys know, that's a common problem I had. But fortunately, the Flora Green has kind of helped put that competition at bay to keep the tree satisfied. And in doing that, I just needed a bigger shipment to make sure that we had enough to feed the trees. And then with that, I also wanted to get a bigger jug of aerate, because this is another product I go through like wildfire, right? When I'm spraying my lawn, I spray it at least once every 3 weeks with aerate, and I tend to go at the very high rate because I want to reap the rewards. Because I want to reap the most out of the product as I can, so I really like to go high with it. And I think getting a higher shipment of this is just going to make it much easier. So once again, Greene County, thank you very much. Much appreciated. And yeah, really awesome gifts today, guys. So that's all we have today, guys, for mail time. Really appreciate all the packages I got this week. Awesome stuff all around from some fellow community members, as well as a couple of the partners I work with. Thank you guys very much. Let's get on with the rest of the video.